Kia ora, I'm Darren de Klerk and I'm the Director of Infrastructure Delivery here at Hastings District Council, and I'm coming to you today from the Mangarau stream and specifically our 2C project. So look, I'm wanting to just provide a bit of an update as we've recently completed stage 1 of the works. We've done some work to shore up some of the banks, and that's involved installing retaining walls along a long stretch of damaged banks following Cyclone Gabriel. We've also done some work to create new access ramps into the stream, as it's been inherently difficult to get into the stream to undertake maintenance works. The other part of the stage 1 work was to increase some of the pipe capacity on Joll Road. So we've recently doubled the size of the pipes, as well as installing some bigger catch pits to catch that water when it does rain and ultimately make its way into the Mangarau stream safely. Shortly we'll be starting stage 2 of the work, and that involves around 8 different projects across this stretch of stream. Again, looking at improving banks, increasing pipe capacity, widening the stream in places, removing a wastewater crossing that was a debris catcher in the past, amongst improving the weir in the bottom half of the Mangarau stream that historically acted as bed control. We'll then also move into stage 3, which is being delivered locally by Latties, and they'll be replacing and uplifting a couple of bridges along the Mangarau stream. So we've got a big program of work across stage 2 and stage 3, and as the community you can see, you'll be able to see traffic management out and about and more crews working, generally Monday to Friday between the hours of 7 and 5. Thank you to landowners who have been through a hell of a lot since the cyclone, and council's working actively to reduce and mitigate flood risk as part of this wider package.